Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account on Gamerant. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in gamerant.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official Gamerant website. Now click on the sign in now button at the top right corner and you will be taken into the login as well as sign up portal. Just type in your email address that you wish to use for signing up, or you can also click on sign in with Google. Once you enter your email address, click on continue and you will be asked to set up your account password. Just type in your preferred password and click on I'm not a robot to verify your identity. Finally, click on the create an account button and now you can set up your account preferences right away. Just choose the features that you would like to enable by turning on or off the toggle. Then click on continue reading and you will need to verify your identity by using your email. So log into the email address that you just used for registration and you will find an email from Gamerant. Just open up this email and you will see the confirm my email button. Click on this button and now your registration will be completed and your account will be verified. And now you will be able to start using your Gamerant account right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account on Gamerant. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.